Hey there guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Bukkit server. But first what you want to do is go to your desktop, make a new folder, Bukkit or Spigot actually. I'm just going to name this Bukkit or just server. Then go to your web browser, for that to load up. Then you go to the search bar. Then you go to Google, type in Spigot download. And then you're gonna see this. I'll leave a link in the description below, and you're gonna see this. Go to it, you can exit that, and then it's gonna say last successful build is this one because it's like more built out, which was 4 days ago. Exit whatever pops out. Then spigot.jar, save file. Then you can drag it into here. Once that's in there, you can go to dl.bukkit.org, go to Bukkit forums, go to get craftbukkit, and then it's gonna tell you to copy any of these codes. I have a Windows. If you have a Linux, you copy this code. If you have a Mac, you copy this code. Since I have a Windows, I'm gonna copy this code right here, Control C. Then you can exit that because you're not gonna need it anymore. You can open up your server file. This can you can name it to anything. I prefer Bukkit because once in a while Bukkit will let your server not join, will let people not join anything. Then you're gonna paste this code. I'll leave it in the link. I'll leave the code in the description. My bad. Then you can name this to anything like start_server.bat. Then you're gonna go to all files and save. You can exit this, delete this text document, and then start your server. It might say this or something like that, so that means you didn't do something with the code. So then you're gonna edit. Since if you want craftbukkit, leave this to craftbukkit, but I want spigot. Oh, space spigot. Then you can save it. Then this is gonna pop out. It's gonna say perhaps server already running on that port, but hold on, let's see if it says that. Yep, it's gonna say that. Then you can close that up, and then you can close this. Then you want to get uTorrent. Let me see if I have it. Nope. Well, you're gonna want to get uTorrent. I have a feeling I don't have it. Go to Google. I'll leave a link in the description for uTorrent. And then wrong page. Alright, so I'm just gonna download it off of this page. It doesn't matter. I'll leave a link to the right page that you need. Hold on guys, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back guys. So I found the right link. I didn't record when I got it. So then what you want to do is go to this page. I'll leave it in the link. Then you're gonna click on free download. Then get uTorrent. And then it's just, you could save the file. This is just for the setup. Then you can go to uTorrent.exe, run it, close that, and wait for it to download, and I'll be right back once it downloads. Okay, I'm back. It's gonna ask you if you want to install something else, but I prefer not to do that. So then it will give you this. You can open up your server. Open that like this. Okay, then you can go to options or preferences, connection, and then it's gonna say a random port right here. What you want to do is exit that, and then go to 25565. Then click apply and OK. You can exit uTorrent, minimize this, and then you want to go to CMD. But if this doesn't open for you, just like, and then type in ipconfig. If that doesn't open like that, then what you want to do, go to CMD, right click, and then run as administrator. Then it will ask you if you want to open it. Then you can type in ipconfig. Then right here, you go to IPv4 address. Then you can just open your server file, go to the server properties, and find the server IP, and then put your IPv4 address, 192.1.6. Then you can save, exit that, and then for uTorrent, it just port forwards that same exact port. So if you have trouble port forwarding, you won't have trouble anymore with uTorrent. Then just wait for the server to load. And then it will start preparing the world. Then go to your web browser. You can exit this, it doesn't really matter. Go to your web browser, type in Google, go to Google, type in my IP address, but you can click that, and then don't give it to anybody you don't trust. You can just like send it to your friends, and then that's it. You could give it to your friends, only the people that you trust, because they could like do something with your IP address and all that. I'm not gonna go look at it just for safety purposes, because I don't want to get DDoS or something like that. So then you just give your friends that IP, but you can run in both IPs, this IP right here and my IP address. Once your server is done, it's gonna say done. Type in stop. Never press X up here, because it's gonna not save your world. So then you go back to your browser, and this time I'm gonna show you how to install plugins for it. Let's go to Google. Let's just say world edit download bukkit. But for world edit, it's way different for any other plugin. Usually the plugins, we'll just put that on your desktop. The plugins will be way different. You can just go to the plugins file and drag that in there. But for world edit, you can open with WinRAR archiver, and then you have to drag this world edit.jar out and then put it into your plugins folder. So that is it, guys. This is how you make a bukkit server and /spigot server. It doesn't really matter which one, but I prefer Spigot because it runs longer. Bukkit like stops your IP address from working, so I prefer Spigot. I don't know, whatever you guys prefer, you can use that. So I'll see you next time with another tutorial and maybe a let's play. So yeah, bye.